Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Honkmobile parking payment app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Honkmobile is a digital parking payment app that allows drivers to find, reserve, and pay for parking directly from their smartphones. It is widely used across many cities, universities, hospitals, and private parking lots in North America. The app aims to simplify the parking experience by eliminating the need for physical meters, printed tickets, or on-site payment machines. Users can locate available parking spots, view pricing, and process secure payments through the app. The app's main feature is its quick, contactless payment system. You select your parking zone, enter your vehicle details, choose the duration, and pay instantly. Honkmobile also supports pre-booking, allowing users to reserve a spot before arriving. In addition, the app sends automatic reminders when your session is about to expire and gives you the option to extend parking time remotely, preventing fines and convenience issues. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its ease of use, fast payment flow, accurate zone information, and reliable reminders. The ability to extend time without returning to the vehicle is one of the most praised features. Pre-booking options are also beneficial for busy events, campuses, or high-traffic urban areas. Overall, the app helps reduce wait times and provides a smoother parking experience. However, there are some drawbacks. Honkmobile's availability depends on whether a parking operator supports the platform, so coverage can vary by region. Some users report occasional glitches with zone detection or payment processing. Additionally, service fees may apply in certain areas, which can increase the cost compared to paying at a meter. Internet access is required for all functions, which may be inconvenient in low-signal zones. In summary, the Honkmobile app may be worth using if you want a convenient, cashless parking payment method, remote extensions, and the option to pre-book spots before arrival. However, if the service is not supported widely in your area or you prefer avoiding extra transaction fees, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.